The magnet attracting aluminium foil experiment. The tools we prepared include a stand, a neodymium magnet, tacket, a straw, a magic marker, 7 sheets of aluminium foil, and a washcloth. First, we need to fix the straw. Spread the cloth and place it at the bottom. Check the height of the straw with your eyes to make a bit of distance between the cloth and the straw. This way, it'll be easier for us to see how the neodymium magnet falls. Make a mark on the stand with the magic marker. Only then will the straw be at the same height every time we place it. Stick the tacket on the stand. And stick the straw on the stand. Then we're done. We drop the neodymium magnet from a fixed height. Then we wrap the straw with a sheet of aluminium foil. Wrap the aluminium foil evenly around the straw. Once the straw has been wrapped, stick the straw to the place where we have marked it with the magic marker. Once it is secured, drop the neodymium magnet. Record the time it takes for the neodymium magnet to drop each time, and observe if the magnet can attract the aluminium foil. Although magnets cannot attract aluminium products, we can see that as the number of aluminium foil sheets increases, the time it takes the neodymium magnet to drop also becomes longer.